Isaac Matthews here at Nichols Marine Grand Lake. In front of me I have this pre-owned 2023 Chaparral 28 Surf. This is a one-owner boat with only 51 hours. With it being the Surf, you get the Malibu Surf Gates in the center ballast bag. You also get this massive swim platform with the infinity power step that all boaters love. Moving to the cockpit, you see you get double board racks and tower speakers. Here at the helm, you get dual Simrad, and then the enclosed head with the vanity. Moving to the bow, you get the windlass anchor with control at the bow. So if you want to see more, this boat is $187,999. Give me a call at 918-676-6868 or come see it in person at our Nichols Marine Grand Lake store.